Shibenta nak jerki jika Sngi plus Seng Iaka Haka Mawphor Youtube lukula lingkot kakhandai spa khandai pusan ka Rotary Club Jawai ne ka Sngi club Pynkup Burom Iaka Shnong Khuid tam ïadei hills kata ka Shnong mula meliang kabadan hai ïadei hills Haka ni jalang kabla long hamuralong Jawai ladan lang ru Dr. Vincent T. Darlong upade Vice Chancellor ka Martin Luther Christian University Batru President ka RC Orchid City Shillong ulalong kongsan Haka ni ka Sngi la samru Iaka khusnam Syawin kirang elek kai sports papau jong karilum jantia uma Sunday morning tariang ubaladon benta banwanra nam ya jalla haka kam sports naduh ke football ke badminton tennis bat kiwe deki kam elek kai.
He was the popular footballer of his school. He presented Jawai Government High School in Super Cup tournament in 1970s and was a number one player of his school team. He presented Assam State in the junior national football champion in Srinagar in the years 1975. As a government employee, he presented Khlieh civil service football team in all Indian civil service football tournament and was a team captain in 1976, 1979 and 1980 held in different parts of India. He also presented Riew in Junior University in 1976 football tournament held in West Bengal and Odisha in 1977.
Sio ya ke junior awat Lyngba yang pito kaman khubor ya. Ko skiat. Ko imensin hi yo lai chkmat yo grek ya ke kam pe yang. Memang wa ke jing yang ke Eastern District man ko konstitusi i. Hanre ka wa pen ke wa yo ke mesin yo dayak yo ba ikam kiu ko kai ni. Mem kwa o George da kibitu da kibor yang ke perthai ni kibor ki bersya tho duit kikam. You judge ki kam ki yang i you da skia. Ngasyo kumen ya khana pi hini por ikam modele yang i am minong chong Shnong. To Shnong yang i hapo yang ki 8,000 khat su chuden. Mut 8,000 khat le khat ar man ko Shnong ko bajik khlieh. Yidu batai. Lyngba ke jingilam ke jingsong perkhat. Hakawi ke thau chong ke unta da ke komiti. Hakawi ki thau chong ke hamadan yang kiwi ki nong kit kam Shnong. Mani iyo rai weta ikre ipen kawan ipen mani yang kena Shnong ke yang i ko Khuid.
Yudan ru ka jithu ya kapan pelong ka koi na ka jaga pekai apa ka jela ka jongi yudan ru ka jithu bansna ya kipa ki fish mantang lasang bansna ru ya ka fishery pan banbu iki dok kha kum na komta ban pelong ka jaga pekai dan ni pan penyok ru ya ki dok kha na komta ban pendon kam apa Shnong pa thau jongi ngidan ru ka jithu bang nesmat ban airu ke jihikai hati kena rit haki samla ke jongi